So hi guys, this is Bhushan from Texas Solution, also known as Mobile Technology Private Limited. Today I am going to show one of the project, that is a mobile controlling sanitizing robot. Okay, with transportation facility. Now this is the project model of this sanitizing robot. In this, we have used particular sanitizer tank. This is for sanitizer sprayer. This is pipe, and there is DC pump we have attached at the side of the tank. At the back portion there is a control board. Okay, so the control board consists of Arduino board, LCD display. Okay, this is the relay, 12-volt relay, and this is 7805 SC, and this is a motor driver controller. Okay, and this is the main, that is Bluetooth controller. Okay, which is used to connect your smartphone with the robot. Okay, so these are the particular things which is includes in this robot. Okay, and this is total metallic structure. This is transportation, used for the transportation purpose. If suppose you put any kind of medicine, whatever you want, and just control the robot with the smartphones. Okay, so the sanitizing spray is controlled from your smartphone. Now let's see how the function is working, also how the robot is connected with your smartphones. So now we have to attach the battery with this robot. Okay, so remember the things, that is black is a negative and red is a positive. So you have to attach red to red and black to black. So first of all we have to switch on. Just connected the terminals. So the project is on. As you see, the display returns the project name. Okay. Wait. So display returns the project name. Smart sanitizing spraying robot for COVID-19. Okay, so now it is completely on, and this switch is used to switch the light function. Okay, the light function present at the front portion, also at the middle of the control board. So you can see and understand what the controlling board attached. Okay, let's switch off this. Okay, now there is a Bluetooth model. Okay, there is a Bluetooth model which is blinking in a red color. So remember the things, when you have to switch on, the control board is on, the LCD display return the name of the project, and the Bluetooth control is blinking in a red color. Now you have to just go to your smartphone, and in that smartphone go to the Bluetooth. Okay, so Bluetooth setting. So you have to search the device. If suppose in the searching device there is SC050. Okay, so SC050 is Bluetooth model name. You have to just connect. Okay, now you have to just connect with the SC050 with the password 1234. Okay, so you have to type and connect. Now it is connected. Okay, now you have to download one app, that is a BlueStick control. This is the logo of this BlueStick control. So search this app from the Play Store and you have to download. Okay, now I already download this, so you have to just go inside the app. Okay, now go to the pair. In the pair, if there is SC050 is obtained, so click on it. Now it is connected. Okay, now your smartphone is connected through robot. Okay, very simple. Just go to the pair, connect with the SC050. That's it. Okay, so now let's see from this app how you can control the particular robot. So in this app there is a various keys are present. So there is a, these keys are to move the forward, these are to move backward, left and right directions. Okay, so just press and release. Okay, when you press it moves forward, when it moves backward. So when I move to left direction, when I move in the right direction. Okay, so likewise you can control the direction from this. Now there is a sanitizer tank, and there is pump, DC pump you have to attach. So for the pump on and off, you have to just click on grab. Okay, the pump is on now. You just heard the sound. Now for the off, you have to press rotate left. Okay, so once again, pump for on, to press on grab and rotate left to switch off the DC pump. Okay, so in this way the sanitizing robot you can control from your smartphone with this app also. Now this particular section is for the transportation. It means you can put any type of things for the patient and you can control from your smartphone, and you can give this particular medicine or any kind of things to the patient remotely. So hope you guys like this project. Thanks.